So everybody wants VR lips. This is the best aftermarket one I've ever gotten, so I just bought another one because my last one I sold. JOM. There's the part number. You should be able to find it on eBay. The seller's like in Delaware, so yeah. So I'll take this out. Still have to trim it again because I have a North American bumper. I'll show you all that stuff in a minute. Always have some nice cardboard to lay on, but here's the North American lip. My car has already been modified. Get out, come on. There it goes. It's already been modified to accept a VR lip or a European lip. The front edge of the entire front on the US cars, it sticks out about a 1/4 inch too far and you can't snap the VR lip in. So whoever I bought the car from previously, they just cut it all the way off. You can see it's nice and jagged, but it works as long as you don't have the front lip off, you know, it looks fine. But yeah, that's the first mod you have to do. I gotta do it like this, but so you just gotta kind of line up these tabs and see which are different. So you see right here, this one is different. It's like way different. So just chop this one up pretty good. Just that little piece. And then you'll see the corner is much smaller than the North American one, and all the rest of these are the same. That's literally the only thing you have to cut. There, that. Oops, there's my hood. And then what you have to also remember is, like, when you're putting this in, it'll feel like it doesn't want to go in, but that's because you have to get this corner in. So it'll look like in the front that you're like off like half a tooth, but that's just because you have to like push this in and pull. So when you push in and pull, it lines everything right up and just snaps right in. It's really easy. This is literally the only thing that you have to cut to fit this, so don't hack these things up.
In a minute.
So that side will just snap right in, and then over here, you see it doesn't want to, so you just pull it. See how much further I gotta go.
Mom.
There we go. See, I just pushed it in.
Yeah.
So now that's in. So then up here in front, like I said, this is a really good lip. This slides inside of this lip like that. I gotta pull this again because yeah. I gotta zip tie it all. You want to zip tie it? Just finished with the VR lip. And hold on one second, bye. And what I like to do is I have a hole drilled through the bumper. It's up here. And then I just run a zip tie through the lip and around. That keeps it from falling off, but looks pretty good now.